Hey there, my name is Julien Séailles. I'm the CEO and founder of UBIK Agent, a platform that aims at being the AI operating system. This means that we give several tools to developers and end users in order to develop agents at scale that are more personalized and efficient than anywhere else. In order to do that, we rely on several corners inside the application that are the topic of this video. In this video, I will show you the different corners of the application, conversations, tools, documents and workspaces, and also the agent builder. I hope that you'll enjoy the video. If you want to learn more about UBIK, you can go on ubik-agents.com in order to discover more about the platform. See you! In this video, I want to show you the document and workspace corner of the app. This is the part of the app where a user will be able to manage the different knowledge base it has access to and the different documents that the user has uploaded on the platform. As you can see, on the left, you have access to the different workspace of the user. The general one, where we have all the documents, the UBIK workspace, which is a shared one among all the users of UBIK, and also other workspaces created for each chat session. On the left, you have all the different documents, and now we can create a new workspace. So first, let's create the test workspace. That is an empty workspace with no document in it at first. We can go back into the general workspace and try to explore what are the different types of documents that we have. So we have HTML files, PDF files, and also CSV files, and even MP4 or MP3 files because the platform is multimodal. We can select three files that we want to add to the specific workspace that we just created. This will allow to provide a specific folder to the agent that we could create in the future that will have access to these three files by default. Now let's go back to the general workspace and let's explore a specific file. When you upload a file into the platform, we pre-process them with specific pipelines in order to extract the content and make them readable by the agent. So as you can see, this was processed with the normal parsing pipeline, but you have also the low latency that tries to extract the text quickly, but is not that much robust. The normal pipeline that will use several vision models and OCR models in order to extract the text, and the improved one that will use vision language model. You can see here that we extracted in the digitized version images and text associated to the document. In the markdown part, you only have the text, the raw text extracted from all the elements of the app, and the original corner allow you to see what were the different texts identified, highlighted on the file itself. And this is what is used when you do some search into the platform and try to have some answers based on your documents. We can quote specific parts of the document because of this pre-processing that happens when you upload a file. When you are on the platform, you also have the ability to import several files, scrape them, but also search for a specific element. Here we are looking for the BNP text into the different documents that we uploaded. So 4 occurrences were found, and you have access to other filters in types, date, or name of files. Now that we have explored this, you can see that you can also switch into a list or go back to the gallery version and also upload the file. So let's upload the file. When you upload the file, you import it onto the platform. We pre-process them, and then we make it digestible for a large language model, as I explained before. You can also scrape some URLs based on websites in order to provide the website as a data source. So you can use simple scraping or crawling that allow to go into the different pages inside the domain. You can then rename the specific workspace that we created before and also delete it if you need. All these elements allow your user to manage their knowledge base in an easy way into the platform and to be able to use documents with your agents in the most efficient way possible because we analyze these files and extract the content in order to make them compatible with the different agents.